Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the best buying decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams.
On the left, we have the VIOFO A119 V32K dash cam, and on the right, the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality.
The VIOFO A119 V3 boasts a stunning 2K resolution at 60 frames per second.
With its 5-megapixel Sony Starvis sensor and f1.6 lens, you'll capture crystal clear footage day or night. Say goodbye to blurry license plates.
Now let's talk about parking mode. The VIOFO A119 V3 offers 3 different parking mode solutions: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording.
It's like having your very own car surveillance system.
Meanwhile, the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes parking mode to the next level with its custom-designed 24/7 parking mode.
It offers 1 FPS time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection.
You'll never miss a beat even when your car is parked.
Let's move on to the extra goodies these dash cams bring to the table.
The VIOFO A119 V3 comes with a built-in GPS module, allowing you to record real-time speed, time, and GPS route. Plus, it's compatible with VIOFO's high-endurance micro SD cards, ensuring top-notch performance.
On the flip side, the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes connectivity to the next level.
With its advanced 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can pair your smartphones effortlessly.
You can even control and customize your dashcam settings through the ROVE Dashcam app.
Talk about convenience. The VIOFO A119 V3 and the ROVE R2-4K Pro are both exceptional dashcams, each with its own set of strengths.
Whether you prioritize video quality, parking mode, or additional features, you can't go wrong with either of these options. Remember, it's all about finding the perfect fit for your needs.
So before you hit that checkout button, consider what matters most to you. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.